Now this is the part 3 of 3D Ultimate Walker rigging tutorial. Select this, unhide the polygon, select the right leg controller and delete this. Now select the left leg controller. With selected left leg controller, go to modify, open add attribute tab and type here, first one is ankle, type here ankle, click add. Second one is toe pin, third one is swivel, toe tap, and the last one is, select this one, double click and rename it as heel. Select this, type here heel, click add. Now close, select this and see all are added to the channel box. Now select the ankle group and rotate it. See, this is x-axis. Toe pin, this is also x-axis. Swivel, this is y-axis. Toe tap, it is also x-axis. This is also x-axis. So select all of them and control deselect the swivel group. From the channel box, select all the value and deselect the rotate X. Right click, lock and hide. Lock and hide selected. Now select the swivel group, select all, deselect the rotate Y, click lock and hide selected. Now hide your model, go to skeleton, open create IK handle option, reset the tool, rotate plane solver sticky, click one here and another on the ankle joint and rename it as right ankle IK handle. Again skeleton, create IK handle option, reset the tool, change current solver single change solver, turn on sticky, click one point at the ankle joint and another at the ball joint and rename it as right ball IK handle. Again skeleton, create IK handle option, click one at the ball joint and another at the ankle joint. Ctrl G to undo, single chain solver, click one at the ball joint and another at the toe joint, and rename this one as right toe IK handle. Now select this group, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and rename it as right ankle. This one right toe pin, this one right swivel, right toe tap, this one right heel. Now select this left ball IK handle and toe IK handle, click delete, and left ankle IK handle and delete this. Now select the right IK handle, press D or insert key on your keyboard and press V to snap it to the right ankle. Right toe pin, press D or insert key, press V to snap it to the right toe joint. Select the swivel, press D and snap it to the ball joint. Press D. Select the heel, press D, press V and snap it to the ball joint. Again press D. Now select the right ball IK and right toe IK handle, middle click and drag it to the toe tap. See? And select the right ankle, middle click and drag it to the right heel. Now select and see. See? All are done. Now select this left knee controller, press Ctrl plus, copy the name, Ctrl plus Z to group it and rename it as right knee controller group. Go to modify, center pivot, select the group, shift select the knee IK handle, go to constraint, click pole vector and do the same for the right. Copy this, press Ctrl plus G to group it and rename it as right knee controller group. Modify, center pivot, select the right knee controller group, shift select the right ankle IK handle, click pole vector. See? select this. Sorry. First select the knee controller, shift select this. This is done. Control G to undo. Undo. First select the left knee controller, shift select this, go to constraint, pole vector, see, now this is done. Control plus G. Now group it. Control, first copy the name, Control plus G to group it and rename it as left knee controller group GRP. Do the same for this one. Shift select the IK handle, constraint, pole vector, select this, modify center pivot, Control plus G, select this. See, this is done. Copy the name, Control plus G to group it and rename the group. Modify center pivot, group GRP. Now select this left leg controller, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it to the right leg. Unhide your model. Go to modify, freeze transformation and rename it as right leg controller. See, all are attribute added for this controller also. Now hide your model. First select the left leg controller, go to Windows, General Editor, open Connection Editor, minimize the window. Only keyable, left leg controller, show left ankle, click reload right, display only keyable, select ankle and connect it to the rotate X and select the toe pin, click reload right, connected to the rotate X. Sorry. Toe pin, rotate X. Select the swivel, click reload right, select swivel, rotate Y, toe tap, reload right, select toe tap, rotate X, heel, reload right, select heel, rotate X. Now first check it, select the left leg controller. See, this is working. Toe pin, swivel, this is working. Toe tap, heel, now select the right leg controller, reload left, right ankle, reload right, select the ankle, connect it to the rotate X, toe pin, select toe pin, rotate X, swivel, reload, select swivel, rotate Y, toe tap, reload, toe tap, connect it to the rotate X, heel, reload, select heel from the left and connect it to the rotate X from the right. Now close the connection editor window and check it. See, this is also working. Select the right leg controller. It is moving freely. So select the right ankle group, shift select the right leg controller and parent it. Now move and see the effect. Do the same for the left leg controller, left ankle group, shift select the left leg controller group, press P to parent it, move and see. Now first select the left knee controller, shift select the left leg controller, go to constraint, open orient constraint option, edit reset the setting, turn on maintain offset, click apply. See, do the same for the right leg controller. Click apply. First select this, shift select this, constraint, open orient constraint option, edit, reset the tool, maintain offset, turn on, click add. This time move and see the effect. Now this is done. Select the main controller, go to vertex mode, select all the vertex and scale. Object mode, you should scale it with vertex selection, otherwise the pivot point will change. Now turn off the wireframe on shaded mode. Select this, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color to blue color. This is the end of the part 3. I will see you on part 4, and the part 4 will be the final part. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.